Hey everyone, before we get to this video, give me 1 second real quick to tell you about these two new shirts we got in our store. Shirt 1, the Imperfect Cars Make Perfect Stories. I love this one, inspired by breaking down in my Lamborghini on PCH. Anyone who's ever had an angry, feisty little car that made the right sounds, made the right power, but left you stranded on the side of the road once in a while can relate to that one. And we've got the Strong 9s, 999 is where the Lexus odometer will remain for all time. And in order to commemorate the Lexus actually achieving 1,000,000 miles, we've got this fun one. I actually am super stoked on this one. I really like this one. So head over to the link in the description or blipshift.com/TST to get them while they hot. They only last for 2 weeks. And today's date is the 24th. So they're gone pretty soon. Now, enjoy this video. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a sunny but chilly day here at Arizona Motorsports Park, a track you are likely to have never heard of before, and neither had I until we came down here with McLaren. Since you have clicked on this video, you are well aware it is the 600LT. This is the lightened, track-focused version of the 570 Sports Series car. It is 100 kilograms lighter than the 570S Spider, but only, because McLaren has done some trickery here, only if you option it without air conditioning, which at 300 grand, you're getting air conditioning. So it's not really 100 kilograms lighter. Nevertheless, it has 30 extra horsepower thanks to a recalibrated ECU, top mount exhaust, which looks and sounds very rowdy. It has bucket seats, 2 different optional bucket seats. This is the touring seat, which is also kind of funny if you've ever actually sat in a seat meant for touring. The other seat is the Senna seat, which I can't even get in. It has carbon fiber everywhere. It actually is technically a long tail, as it is about 70 millimeters longer than the standard 570S in the front and the rear, with the aero, the body kit, the wing, and as per McLaren rules, my friend Josh, who you probably can't see in camera, a pro instructor with McLaren, is required to come out on track with us. So, shall we, Josh?
Yeah, good to go.
He's talking into actually a headset, so you probably won't hear Josh. And are we good, guys? All right, let's have a little go and see what this thing is about. You get, as part of the LT package, you get the brake rotors and calipers from the 720S, as well as the brake booster from the Senna. So I had one, I don't know, what was it, 5-6 laps before, Josh?
Yeah.
So I don't really know the track that well, so you'll forgive me if my driving isn't as aggressive as it could be if I was on a home circuit. But as you will see, the performance of the 600LT, is that a thumbs up from that gentleman? No, that's a hold?
Yeah.
That's a hold or a
hold?
That's a hold, okay. We're going out on the track here. What else do we need to know about this vehicle? It is, according to McLaren, the fastest or the quickest vehicle in its class. And its class includes 488 Spider, as well as Performante Spider, which I very recently had a go in. Good? All right, here we go. 14 corners on this circuit. 2.3 miles, and we are off. It will not shock you at all to learn this car is extraordinarily fast. And the brakes are amazing. As Josh says, I trail braked it down, but I got out of them just a little early. The balance is superb. Because the car is based on the same carbon fiber tub that all the Sports Series cars are, there's no change in structural rigidity when you go from a Spider or a coupe to a Spider. They are designed that way alongside each other from the very beginning. It is quite brilliant. Although I've never had a go in a 600LT coupe. Is this person letting us by or what? I don't know what they were doing there. in the 600LT coupe, but I've had lots of experience in the 570S and GT. Truth be told, are we getting a point by there? Yep. Truth be told, not hugely different vehicles on the road, but on the track, whoa, I should have left in fourth there, huh, Josh? Fourth, third here, and then down to second before the next one, yeah? Alrighty then. Beautiful steering, really nicely weighted. Good balance, really good at the transitions left to right. The traction control is pretty seamless. I mean, I have it on, and I believe what is a sport mode now, but early, right, Josh? That was early, I think. A little early. I can come out a little later there. But it doesn't kill any of the fun. It really does allow you to explore the limits of traction and performance without really having to go full off. God, these brakes are so great. Still, did I come off them just a little early there? Yeah. The brakes are so good, and they have these braking cones in fairly conservative places, and if you really use all the car's braking performance on the track, you will overslow before you get to the corner, which, although I've not had a go in Senna, pretty much everyone says that that's what happens when you drive Senna, is you overslow for all the corners. Fourth gear, high-speed bend, great balance there. Unlike the 720S Spider, which is on Corsas, this is on Trofeo R tires. And if I remember correctly from the briefing yesterday, they are a unique compound to LT, are they not, Josh? Yes. That is correct. Have I fucked anything up yet, or am I good at talking?
No, that's good.
All right. Stay in fourth here, stay in fourth. Then to third. Oh, you were right, sir. And that's how that gets bent down like that. Second here, boom. I don't even have to remove my hands from 9 and 3. That's how well matched this course is to this car, is I can really keep my hands at 9 and 3 the whole way around this course. No shuffling necessary. This is a tricky one. Tell me when to turn down, Josh. I'm gonna be early. And now, okay, so it's right at the very end of that curbing. What's the curb weight, Josh? I know it's 100 kilograms less. Do you remember? What is it in kilograms? 1,300 kilograms. So possibly a curb weight under 3,000 pounds. Possibly. I'm not really sure. Someone will do that math for me in the comments section later. But man, what a car. What a ride. There's no convertible jiggliness at all. The chassis is totally rigid. The tub is totally rigid. You can put your hand right here and you're not going to feel any motion in between the door and the header there. Whereas in many, traditional convertibles, that's where you would see some jiggliness happening. Don't give that one all away, right? Whee! Probably could have gone to third for that, but that was lovely. Man, this car, now I think I'm starting to kind of vibe with it a little bit. The first session I was really thinking, where does the track go? Now I'm kind of getting a little vibe with this vehicle, and I really feel like if I had a full day with this thing, oh, would it be fun. I'd be a master at this car by the end of the first day. Woo, beautiful. Little light tendency to push if you get on the power too early. I'm trying to avoid doing that. It's a fun little circuit, huh?
Yes.
Late, get down. But it really, it doesn't let you forget, even when you're on the road, that it is a track-focused car. These seats are quite heavily bolstered. Even though this is the comfort option, there's not a whole lot of the comfort. Although I can fit, so there's that. Brake, 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 wait, 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 wait. Oh, just a bit of mild understeer right in the middle of that double apex, but very easy to manage. How am I doing, Josh? All right? Feeling good?
Yeah. Getting back to second.
This is a very late apex down here, and what a ride, man! This car rules. What a great car. I think I might have been a little early there, but I won't throw it all away. Down to third, to the right. Thing just rips off quick shifts, though. It really bangs those shifts nicely. And if you take it out of track mode and put it into a more normal road mode, it does smooth it out quite a bit. It doesn't kick you the way the Lambos do, but oof, it lets you know that it's there. This is lovely, Josh. One more? What do you think? One more?
Yeah, I think we'll do cool down after this one.
Okay. Something strange happened there. I think I might have just lost front grip there for some reason. I don't know what happened. I almost felt for a second like maybe I had a flat tire, but
yeah, it's all good. There was some rubber.
Some rubber on the road. Yeah. All right, so we'll cool her down?
Yeah, we'll do a cool down.
Lovely. We're gonna throw the hazards on? Nobody coming up behind us? Okay, so let's see. Bad things about the 600LT. I can really only think of 3. One is it's very expensive, and that means you probably can't afford it. 2 is they're only going to make them for 12 months. They are not releasing production numbers, so no one really knows how many they're going to make, only for the length of time. Do you want me to go to the left side here? Yeah, and let this car pass. This is on a flyer. And 3, and this one is very interesting. Unlike the 720S, which I did not have a problem with, this screen, this touch screen here, I literally cannot see at all with polarized glasses on unless I turn my head 90 degrees sideways and then the picture appears, which is mildly annoying when you're trying to use the GPS to get to a racetrack. Those are my 3 bad things about the LT. It's expensive, you probably can't get one, and the nav screen does not respond well to polarized sunglasses. Besides that, this is about as close to perfect of a sports car as you are gonna find. You know, if I had to say which would I rather own, 720S or 600LT, I'd probably rather have a 720S. It's a little more comfortable. I prefer the newer MMI system, but as a successor to the glorious and insane 675LT from 2 years ago, I will go ahead and without question call this one worthy. This car is fast, it's fun, it's responsive, it's light, it embodies all of McLaren's desired qualities, and so far I have not found anything that it doesn't do very, very well. So thank you, Josh,
good job,
for instructing. How'd I do, okay?
Yeah, good.
Decent?
Yeah.
And thank you for watching. It seems I have learned the exact right amount of time to talk for a video. And thank you to McLaren for making such a lovely vehicle and for having me out here in Phoenix. Read my full detailed piece at roadandtrack.com, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.